Hey guys, another video here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane. So you will need a piece of paper, doesn't matter which one, and some tape. That's all. So let's get started. So first thing you will do is you will fold that down and then fold that down. Then fold it like this. Just like that. Then you're going to put it down. Fold it like that. Flip it over, keep this folded. And then like that. And then you will put tape. Oops. Hey, Connor. And we have our, there's my cat. And you have this. Maybe put a couple more if it doesn't work. And you have your paper airplane. Thanks for watching. Bye.